So this next question, if you were to post this on Facebook forums, you'll probably get 200 replies, and all of them saying that the other person's an idiot. What is the best mesh count for the best white underbase, and how many print strokes do you need? The best mesh count is the one that you can consistently print through, and the number of print strokes is however many it takes for you to get a good white. You know, that's your blanket statement. Now in that, if you have to print through an 86 mesh and you have to do 4 print strokes in order for it to look good, well, while that's good for you, it's not good for the overall print because you have way too much ink down. If we're talking about getting to a point where you have a nice thin layer that feels good on the garment, covers the garment, meaning the white looks white on a black garment, then you're up typically around a 156, maybe as low as a 110, and 2 print strokes. But you're using a flood print and a flood print in order to achieve that. The answer itself is open-ended to whatever your tools are, how good your tools are. Do you have high tension? Do you have sharp squeegees? Are you using a very inexpensive ink that may not cover very well or clear the screen? Or are you using a really good ink that allows you to print with minimal pressure and get that ink on top of the shirt instead of into the shirt when you pull the squeegee? Another variable, are you using thin thread? If you're using thin thread, you get to use even less pressure, and you can use a very mediocre ink and get fantastic coverage because the mesh is helping you. So again, very open-ended question, and the answer is really what works best for you is what's best.